what you heard, nigga.
What's up, KJ gang? And I'm back with another video. So I am doing a Boxycharm unboxing video. So I've got Boxycharm June, July, August, September, October, November. Okay, so I got a Boxycharm for 6 months and then no unboxing. This Boxycharm is for the month of November, which is the 6th month. I was told to do a unboxing. So I'm gonna do unboxing for you guys, and if you like this video, hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and let's get into it. So once I open the box, it comes with a pamphlet. So this comes with every month's box. It's to show you the type of month it is. So this month is gold digger, and it shows all the product that comes in this box. Says the price. Ooh, so expensive. It said, oh, I got tweezers. Okay, so the first thing when I open my little goodie bag is the brushes. What? Okay, so these brushes are called Luxie. Oh, Luxie, yeah. Premium synthetic handcrafted brushes. So these are for your eyes only, and there's 4 of them. How do I open this? I hope I can change when you came in. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my, come on. So this is the first brush. This is the 141 mini round brush. I guess for like to get in little creases over there. This is an angle brush, I'm assuming. 131 mini angle. Then this brush is probably the, oh, it's the 121 mini tapered brush. And then this one is the 111 mini flat angle brush. Oh wow, these feel nice. So the next item in the Boxycharm is double-sided tweezers from Vera Be Beautiful Be You. I did not want tweezers, so I'm kind of mad. I wanted eyelashes because how do you even open this thing? Oh, so this tweezers. It's pretty though, but I didn't want. Oh, that was cool. Oh. So this side is the regular tweezers, and this side is a really pointy. I mean, fancy. Makeup brush cleanser from Body Graphy Pro. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I also got the Cover FX glitter drop. So let me do a little sample for y'all and put it on my wrist. Oh, I like it. Ooh. Well, these drops are beautiful. It's not oily, it's not sticky, it's not tacky, it's just, it just slides on. It's like, I don't know. It's a weird texture, but it's a nice texture. Ace Beauty palette. It's a really nice box. So I'm gonna do some swatches on my wrist for you guys. So you will see the swatches of the eyeshadow right now, and you'll see the swatch of the Cover FX glitter drops right now. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hoped you liked my unboxing. It had the prices of all the items on the screen. I showed swatches of both of the items, and basically this should be a sell deal. A sold basically this should be a sold deal. Get yourself a Boxycharm. Get it. So the next unboxing Boxycharm I'm gonna unbox is for December, and it will be much more bigger because a girl upgraded to Boxy Luxe. So Boxycharm is only 5 items. Boxy Luxe is 11 items. So next month you'll see a bigger box, bigger products, better products, and much more. So if you like this video, hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!